Let me see.
Can I turn it up?
You want me to crack it?
I want to crack.
There.
Wow, I can turn it up. This is hard.
There.
Okay, open the. The other one. The spider thing. Okay, let's go.
Nice. You put almost all the legs on. I still have to print the smaller legs. Here. Oh, it's how cute he is.
Wow.
Evil vest.
Wait, I can touch it. I can touch it. Go ahead, move. It's the other hand.
What's his name?
Next spider.
Let me see.
Big next spider
his
dragon.